All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a Kubota KX040-4. This unit's pretty well equipped, guys. It's got ox hydraulics with the double, the split there, so you can run either your thumb and a hammer, or if you wanted to just run your thumb like it is now, that's fine as well. Got a wedge style quick coupler pin on type situation there for the bucket. You just take the pin out of the bucket and it works. All the cylinders should be really nice and clean. The cool thing about this machine, guys, is it's got a 6-way blade, and they rarely come with a 6-way blade. They're hard to get from the dealer. They're rare to get, and they're really awesome. I actually personally own a 040 with a 6-way blade, and if you're a small excavation company and you're doing driveway work or whatever, they are super nice to have, guys. Move material around really well, and they're really good for grading if you have that. Anyway, if you need a small machine, just get in and do one job. Anyway, pretty nice machine. We'll go ahead and show you some of the things we see about it. All the cylinders are clean again. All nice and clean. Again, 6-way blade. Don't see any issues with the cylinders here. The glass is all good besides that bottom piece. It must be broken out. Pretty common piece to get broken out, guys. So that bottom piece is missing. The serial number ends in 3163, it looks like. Looks like 3163. Obviously lot 1411. Go ahead and come back to the engine compartment. Show you that. Seems to run really well, guys. It's got all original Kubota filters on it still. Oil's clean. I'm not gonna pull the dipstick out because it just sprays oil everywhere, but the oil is real clean. See the photos on that. Looks like 9 of 25, they changed that oil filter. Kubota oil filter on it. AC compressor seems to be working fine. Even in here, guys, the valve bank and all the valve bodies seem to be clean, free of any leaks or anything like that. So, tracks have got some usage, guys. So, they've got a few chunks shaking out here and there, but they're still working. They're still tight. They're not falling off the machine from the time we run it. So that seems to be working okay, but they do have some usage. So please see the tracks. It's got 2,469.2 hours. The AC is blowing cold, guys. We'll showed the photos, but we'll just show you again. So outside we've got like 89 degrees, 90 degrees. And then right here in that cove, see we're already at 35. It's gotten down to like 0 degrees. So it is working really good on the AC. Again, the 6-way blade, it seems to work good. This is your controller for that. 2-speed as well. All that seems to work. So there you have it. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get you a quick little operations video here. We'll show you the thumb works, all that, and go from there. You get them? All right, here we are. This is the one bad one. Huh? This is the one bad one. It'll work too. I don't have this little bit. Okay, there's another right, there you have it, guys. KX040-4 with the 6-blade blade, the double oxide hydraulics, the thumb, the AC cabbed. Nice machine, guys. If you got any questions, give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. This one's located up here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and it's a nice one, guys. So if you got any questions about it, please give us a call. We'd love to answer them for you. Thank you very much.